Hi, I'm Tunde Dugantsi and today's project is a cute snowman. It's on an airbrushed cookie. The edges are airbrushed blue and I use flood, like 20-second flood and piping consistency white icing for this project. First I pipe the body of the snowman and the hat and I let it set a little bit before adding the next set of details. Then I add the rim of the hat, the feet and the hands, and parts of, I outline the scarf and I will fill the parts of the scarf. There are two buttons and I will add the nose, a carrot, and I let it set before filling in the rest. And I pipe a branch of pine and I put a royal icing transfer cardinal in the hand of my snowman, and all the rest is just painting. So I start painting a red part of the hat, then stripes, light green stripes on the scarf of the snowman. I use True Color Airbrush Shine Color for the scarf and for many of these details, because those are very beautiful color with a lot of shiny powder. So it's a lot of fun, it's beautiful, and it's all natural too. I paint the pine needles. I use an edible marker to add the eyes and the mouth. And this was also a Club Cookie Academy project, so if you want to make all three snowmen, check out the link in the description below. I use pearl dust to add a little bit of blush to the cheek of the snowman. And finish painting the hat. I like this project because I only used white icing, so not a lot of icing to mix, and then I bring it to life with the colors later. So these are the darker stripes of the scarf. If you don't want to miss any of my videos, then don't forget to subscribe and push the notification button. And I will show you a picture of all three snowmen. I hope you had fun with this video and see you again soon.